Oh man, I am exhausted. Keep moving, Leo. We cannot stop now. Wait! Do you feel that? Whoa! What is happening? It is an earthquake! Get down! The whole ground is breaking apart! Look at that! It is too scary! Rune! Do not look back. Just keep running. I am trying. My legs hurt. Leo, get up! Watch out!
Well, he looks scary, but he is very cute.
Yeah, very funny.
Tell him to give my shoe back.
My feet are killing me. How much further? We are here. The Weeping Crystal Forest.
That.
Does not look friendly at all. Oh man. It's freezing in here.
Keep your voice down. Sound travels far in these woods.
Oh, great! And I'm missing a shoe. Perfect.
Just step exactly where I step. Don't rush. I really hope we find a shoe store soon. Focus on your feet, Leo.
A whole village! Maybe they have a spare shoe for me. Stay alert, Leo. We do not know who lives down there. Wow. This place is huge. But where is everybody?
They are hiding. Someone scared them.
Wait here. Hey there! Catch! Wow! Whee! It's so red! You like that? Watch this. Gotcha! See? I'm perfectly fine. Hey! I am fine. Nobody saw that. Oh my gosh, Zara. That was epic. Catch it, Kyle! I got it! Let's play again.
All right, everyone. One for you and one for you.
Wow, thank you, Leo. It's so bright. Excuse me, ma'am. Where are all the fathers? They are in the mine. A bad man took them. We are getting them back. Tonight. My dad made this table. I miss him.
We were HAPP. Everything was peaceful. But then, the bad guys came.
Leo? Huh? This is completely wrong! I cannot stand it. Bullies coming in and just taking people? No way! I'm so angry right now. Are you with me? If you hate bullies,
Yeah?
if you are BRAV, smash the like button right now! Tomorrow morning, we save the fathers.
Man, this tunnel smells like old socks. Well, you are the one missing a shoe. Keep moving. I don't know if I can keep going. We're almost there. Just keep moving.
Which one should I throw to distract it? The flashlight? Or the bouncy ball? The ball! Yes! It is bouncy!
Whew, that was way too close.
Yeah!
We made it!
Keep pushing that cart! Faster! And you! Lift that crystal high!
He is too tired. The rock is too heavy. Leo, wait! What are you doing? I am stopping a bully. That is what I am doing.
Hey! Move that cart faster!
Leave him alone.
Kids, you think you are heroes? Wake up, Titan!
Run back! Now! It is too big! Guys, we need backup! Hit subscribe to give us power! Woo!